He loves the G-Shock, you know. The one in the box.
This is the first time I saw it.
Oh, maganda yung ano niyan.
Wow.
Huh?
What's the function?
Yeah, and what do you call this one also where what do you call wavelength have and
So ate mo na yung bilog niya kung sino mas malaki.
temperature have.
Ganda. Ganda bro.
Plastic box have.
Ah, okay.
How much this?
It's a little bit high price. It's 5,000 something.
How much?
5,600.
Oh,
It's what do you call full titanium. That's why its price is.
Ah.
but you get
This titanium also is very good fine titanium.
Yeah, but can you sell this titanium?
Today I want to tell you about the most durable metal on Earth, titanium. In the periodic table of chemical elements, titanium is in the fourth group, located after scandium. Pure titanium usually is silvery gray and is lightweight metal, with the highest ratio of strength to weight of all the elements. This means that a plate made of titanium will weigh 50% less than the one made of steel. Today titanium metal has a huge range of applications. The most important one is aviation. From this metal and its reinforced alloys, they make impeller turbine blades in the engines, as well as many other parts of the aircraft. Some of the parts of expensive cars, such as exhaust pipes, are made of titanium due to its properties of having a beautiful oxide film. Also, cookware made from this metal is very durable and lightweight. It can be a good idea to take them for camping. Now I think you have learned enough about such an essential metal as titanium. The only problem with this metal is its price, because of the difficult and expensive method used for obtaining and processing this metal.
It's also nice. But it looks, for me, it looks like a formal watch. I don't like, I like military, like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're
Macho
sporty.
man.
Yeah.
See, this one looks like,
5,600.
Have a discount also.
yeah, I'm not in the picture, man. Alright.
So titanium. What's the model number? Search
Is
this.
there a model without titanium? Same.
Same
The-
like this, no.
Ah, only that, huh?
Different models.
Ah, okay.
Almost same.
What is UTC there?
UTC
World type,
means
no?
What is this Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC? Coordinated Universal Time is the time standard commonly used across the world. It is not a time zone. This 24-hour time standard is kept using highly precise atomic clocks combined with the Earth's rotation. The two components used to set UTC are the International Atomic Time. It combines the output of some 400 highly precise atomic clocks worldwide and provides the exact speed our clocks should tick.
Almost the same.
This one more with
Yeah. So I say this is more macho than this one, you know. See, I like
This is waterproof.
macho watch.
They protect.
100 meter water resistant.
100 meter. Altimeter.
You know what? This watch, the one that we have, the time is very the same. Very, very the same.
Yes.
You see the time, the minute,
Second.
the second?
Second hand.
Same. All the same. I'm not joking.
Ah.
We know. Hey bro, thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you.
Thanks man. Okay, bye.
We'll come for that arrangement. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. That in case if we survive. Bye for now.